So hello and welcome in today's video. Today we are going to look at using if. Using if. If in Luganda is singa. Singa. S-I-N-G-A. Singa. Or it can also be referred to obanga. Obanga. So many times you've been seeing sentences using if. So if I had a car, I would do this. If I had this, I would do this. So if it can be used to make a polite request. If is used to make a polite request. So if is a word in English and can be used to make a polite request. So polite request implies that you request or you ask for something in a calm and reasonable way or reasonable manner. So if it can be used to make a polite request. Singa ekozesebwa okusaba ekintu mu bwetowaze. Singa or if in English it is used oba ekozesebwa okusaba ekintu mu bwetowaze, as we are going to see. So that is one function of using if. If it can be used to make a request in a polite way. If ekozesebwa okusaba ekintu mu bwetowaze. So number 2. So if it is also used to make a wish. It is also used to make a wish or something desired for. If it is used to make a wish or something desired for. So singa oba obanga ekozesebwa okulaga ekintu ekyegombebwa okubaawo. Ekozesebwa okulaga ekintu ekyegombebwa okubaawo. So that's the second function of using if. It is used to make a wish or something desired for. Ekozesebwa okulaga ekintu ekyegombebwa okubaawo. So oyinza okukikozesa singa oyinza okukikozesa nga ekintu tekinnabaawo naye okulaga ekintu kyoyagala okubaawo. So it is used to make or to show something desired for. Okay, so the third use is it can be used as a conjunction. If can be used as a conjunction. And we looked at conjunctions. So if you didn't look at this video, refer to the video above about conjunctions. So conjunctions, we said these are joining words. Conjunction, tebaita ebigambo ebigasi mu mboozi. We looked at conjunctions. So conjunction, ebigambo ebigasi mu mboozi, as we're going to see. So stick around until the end of the video. So if it is used as a conjunction in sentences. Singa oba obanga ekozesebwa nga ekigambo ekigasi. Singa oba obanga ekozesebwa nga ekigambo ekigasi. So ebigambo ebigasi bye bino ebigambo ebigatta emboozi awamu. Okugeza singa nalidde emmere nandibadde kino. So nandiridde naye singa naweereddwa kino. That is what we call ebigambo ebigasi. Ekigambo ekigatta emboozi. Joining words in sentences. If it can be used as a conjunction. Okay, let's dive into it. So let us see how it is used to make a polite request. Number 1. I would be happy if you come with me. I would be happy if you come with me. Inze nja kuba musanyufu singa gwe ojja nange. Inze nja kuba musanyufu singa gwe ojja nange. Inze nja kuba musanyufu singa gwe ojja nange. So in that sentence, it is used to make a polite request, as you've seen. So ekozesebwa okulaga ekintu mu bwetowaze, okusaba ekintu mu bwetowaze. If Maria brings the car, we will not walk. If Maria brings the car, we will not walk. If Maria brings the car, we will not walk. Singa Maria aleta emmotoka, ffe tetujja kutambula. Singa Maria aleta emmotoka, ffe tetujja kutambula. In other words, you are requesting for Maria to bring the car. Osaba Maria alete emmotoka, muleme okolaki okutambula. So you are asking it in a polite way. Okisaba mu bwetowaze. Okay? So if it is used to ask for something or to request for something in a polite way. Third example, John will marry you if you love him. John will marry you if you love him. Implying that John will marry. If you love John, he will marry you. In other words, it's like a request. So, John will marry you if you love him. John will marry you if you love him. John ajja kuwasa singa gwe omwagala. John ajja kuwasa singa gwe omwagala. So you can see singa ekozesebwa okulaga oba okusaba ekintu mu bwetowaze. So if you love John, implying that obvious he will marry you. Singa John oba omwagala ye ajja kola ki? Ajja kuwasa. So singa oba if it is used to make a polite request. Okay, so we shall continue on with using if in the next video. Bye bye. Whenever.